Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this very tasty and simple recipe. For the ingredients, I have 2 mango jelly packets and different types of fruit. The fruit I have is apples, oranges, kiwis, bananas and blueberries. So let's get started. I have washed and chopped my fruit. I'm now going to layer it inside this bowl like this. I'm going to add 800 grams of water inside a pan. I'm going to boil this water. I have set the fruit. I'm now going to go back to my boiling water and add the jelly powder. Stir until the powder dissolves. When it dissolves, turn off the fire and let it cool down. The jelly has cooled down a bit. I'm now going to pour it inside with the fruit. I'm now going to let it cool down for 45 minutes. It has cooled down. I also put it inside the fridge for some time. I'm now going to flip it onto a plate. My fruit jelly is ready. It looks absolutely amazing and very delicious. I hope you liked my recipe. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.